Good evening. Welcome back to the channel. I'm Yog. In this video, I want to talk about something that can literally change the direction of your financial life. If you have a stable, decent paying job, should you still invest? And should you build additional sources of income? I might lean a little more towards stock market investing, but the basic concepts applies to basic wealth building. So sit back, have a cup of tea, and let's get right in. Now tell me honestly, how many of you wake up early in the morning super excited to go to your job because it's fun? Probably not many. Most of us work because bills don't stop, EMIs don't pause, and credit card statements always find a way to surprise us. But stock market investing brings a different kind of thrill. You watch your money grow, sometimes slow, sometimes fast. It gives a sense of achievement. It turns your financial life into a game, and in that game, you make the moves. You analyze, you learn, you improve, and you grow. It's like a hobby that pays you back. And trust me, if a hobby pays you back, it's so much more fun. Many people think that you need large capital, lakhs and lakhs of rupees for investing. But that's not true at all. Today, you can start investing with even rupees 500 or 100 or whatever amount you feel comfortable with. With SIPs, even small amounts compound over time. Always remember, in investing, it's not about with how much you start. What's important is how early you start it. The money that you invest today works for you even while you are sleeping, when you are chilling, when you are traveling or binge watching shows on Netflix. Your salaries may increase by 5 or 10% every year, but the money that you invest has the potential to grow exponentially over time. That is why even small amounts eventually lead to big outcomes. Most side hustles demand time. You name it. Tutoring, freelancing, YouTube, content creation, it all requires time. But investing, it does not ask hours and hours of your day. You can start investing even if you have full-time job. You have a busy schedule, you have family responsibilities. It's very flexible and you don't need any special equipment. It's like an employee who does not ask for leaves and does not ask for a pay raise. It works silently in the background. That's the beauty of it. Let's be real. Your salary can pay for your bills, but can it pay for your dreams? Think of all the things that you want in life: a bigger house, a bigger car, foreign trips, financial freedom. So, salary can give you stability, agreed, but it's the investments that give you growth. There are aspirations that simply cannot be met with salary. You need additional engines of wealth, and investing is one of the best engines available. So, if you want your life to be bigger than work, earn, spend, repeat, investing is non-negotiable. A lot of people get scared of investing. They imagine charts, complex financial terms, scary news. But here's the thing, stock market investing is less about technical skills and more about human behavior. If you can stay calm during market dips and avoid panic selling and invest consistently, you are much ahead of most people in the market. You just need patience, discipline, and a long-term view to stay in the market and make profits. The technical side can always be learned gradually. So don't think that you are not financially smart. You already have what you need. This is a dream for so many people like me. Financial freedom. It's the ability to stop working. Not because you are old, but because you choose to. Just imagine waking up at your own time, or going on vacations whenever you feel like, or wherever you want to, or pursuing hobbies that you lost in the 9 to 5 grind. So, early retirement is not magic, it's a simple mathematics. If your investments grow enough to sustain your lifestyle, your job becomes optional. Investing regularly can reduce your retirement age by 5, 10, or even 15 years if done regularly. It's not at all about escaping work, it's about designing your own life. The Indian stock market and the mutual fund industry are regulated by SEBI, which ensures proper rules, transparency, monitoring, and investor protection. But that does not mean that the markets won't go up or down. It will. But what it means is that the system is robust, transparent, and safe for long term investors. So, if you stick with big companies and stay invested for longer periods and don't get into those get rich quick schemes, then you are on a solid ground. So, if it is fear that is stopping you, then don't worry. The ecosystem is built to protect you. So, these are the 7 strong reasons why you should start investing even if you have a stable job. See, investing is not just about money, it's about freedom, opportunity, growth, and most importantly, peace of mind. So, if you have not started investing yet, start today. Your future self will definitely thank you for it. If you found the video helpful, do like it, share with your friends, and subscribe for more such videos. Thank you for watching.